I'm asking you all, what you people are going to do in your marriage?
Sir, I think that if we want to ban it fully, then it's already in the hand of the girl. If she is educated, even till 10th, if she is educated, then she must be knowing about dowry system, that it is bad. And if she speaks to her parents or to the boy's parents that no, it's illegal, and if you take dowry, then I won't marry. Hello everyone. Today we are here to do ZT, and our topic is about dowry system, whether it is a good system or bad system. According to me, dowry system is a very bad system, which is ruining our society day by day. Due to this system, there are so many parents who don't want to give birth to a girl child. Due to this dowry system, people have started thinking very wrong about girls. They kill the girl child in the womb of their mother, and they don't let the girl child come into this world.
According to me, dowry system is a very bad system. Because of dowry system, there are many poor people who don't want to keep girls, because if they keep girls and they do marry their daughter, then because of dowry system, they are unable to do their daughter do marry in good house. And because of this, there are many people are committing suicide. So I think dowry system is a very bad system.
According to me, dowry system is very bad system, because there are many poor people, they don't give dowry, then how they marry their children.
According to me, dowry system is a very bad system. First, dowry system means a girl parent give dowry to the boy parents. But this system is very bad system, and this system has been running from ancient time. And because of this system, there are many girls who are killed in their mother's womb, and there are many girls who are not allowed to study in good school. Because of this, there are many problems which are increasing. One is female feticide, and one is girl education.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. Dowry system is a very bad system. Due to this system, parents are not teaching their girl in a good school. They are saving money for their girls marriage, but they are not saving money for their girls education. They think that if I save money now, then I will be able to marry my daughter. But they don't think that if I save money for my daughter's education, then she can do better in her life. So I think that dowry system is a very bad system. And friend, due to this dowry system, there are so many girls and there are so many parents who are committing suicide. If a girl parent is not able to give dowry to the boy parents, then they also insult the girl parents, and if it comes about marriage, then they also leave the girl at the place, and they go away, and they go back. And due to this insult, many girls parents and girls, they also commit suicide.
Yes, friend, because of dowry system, people don't want to keep girls, and because of this, the number of girls is decreasing day by day. And if boy parents demand for dowry, then it is a bad. And if girls' parents are giving on their agree, then it's not a bad system.
Yes, friends, it is very bad system, because there are many people, they don't want to girls, because in this system they give dowry. And
I agree with you all, because dowry system is a very bad system, and because of dowry system means girls are tortured. They are also not safe. In this world. When the girl marriage is set, and if they do marry, and after going to their law house, they are beaten, they are also killed, and they are also tortured a lot for dowry system. If it is ruined from our society, then I think girl can also study, and the life of girls can also be saved.
Yes, friend, you are saying absolutely right. Due to this system, the girls are not safe. Even after marriage, they are unable to live a good life due to this dowry. And due to this dowry, even some of the girls' parents have to sell their they sell their lands also for the dowry, and they try to collect the money for their daughter's marriage. But due to this dowry system, a bad message goes to the society. And where the girls' parents are saving money for their daughters, they should save money for the education of their daughter, not for the dowry of their daughter.
because of dowry system, the girls' family are unable to teach their daughter in good way, because they think that if I teach them and I spend all the money, then how will I collect money for their marry, and they don't want to teach them, that's why so much. And because of this, if they collect money and they do their marry, although they are unable to give all the dowry, then their boys' family torture them a lot in the girls.
And they also don't teach their children because they.
Okay, no problem. Listen to them at least.
Because of dowry system, girls are not getting ahead.
Don't try to hide your face, yeah. Only your hair is looking, also this will look no.
Because of dowry system, girls are not getting ahead, and in the comparison of boys, girls are not fully freedom in our society. If a girl is born in a family, then people think that it is means they think the girl. They think the girl very bad in their life because they have to give dowry in their marriage. And since the childhood of a girl's parents start collecting dowry for their daughter's marriage. So I think dowry system is a very bad system. And to take dowry and to give dowry is illegal in our society. But knowing this, people are taking dowry system. People are taking dowry. From this, I want to say that we should not take dowry because it is illegal.
Yeah, friend, you are saying right. And due to this dowry system, as you said that girl even after marriage, girls are tortured. They are tortured a lot, and they are unable to live a happy life in their lost house. And due to this dowry system, if a girl parent doesn't give dowry to the boy parent, then even the boy divorce the girl, and they leave the girl on the way. And due to this, even a life of a girl is ruined. So I think that dowry system is a very bad system.
Now this question I am asking from all of you, right? You all are saying that dowry system is a very bad system. I also agree with all of you that it is a bad system, okay? And also taking dowry is a crime. Understood? But even then it is still running. Parents are taking dowry. Girls' parents are giving dowry. It is going on.
Yes, sir.
But now you have to think as a girl. You guys have to think how it should be stopped, how dowry system can be removed. You have to think. I'm asking you all, what you people are going to do in your marriage?
Sir, I think that if we want to ban it fully, then it's already in the hand of the girl. If she is educated, even till 10th, if she is educated, then she must be knowing about dowry system, that it is bad. And if she speaks to her parents or to the boy's parents that no, it's illegal, and if you take dowry, then I won't marry, then this can be banned.
That's right. She is saying right. You may have studied a story of 10th class of Holi.
Yes, sir.
Holi story you must have read in the book of 10th class, right?
Yes, sir.
It is up to the girls. If they want dowry system can be demolished, can be removed, girls will have to come forward to remove this dowry system. If girls do not come forward, it can never be removed. It will continue in the society. And the problems, whatever you say that this thing is happening because of dowry system, it will continue happening. But it can be removed when you girls become aware. When you come forward to oppose it, you have to stand against it. Only then I think that dowry system can be removed from the society. You should request your parents not to give dowry. You should request them to spend money after your education. The money they save for your marriage, if they spend that money after your education, you are sent out of a station for higher education, then I think you will not have to give dowry. And people will not take dowry also. Once you are successful, once you become something, once you get a job, if you are well settled somewhere, then people will give you dowry for marriage. People will like to marry you without any price, without any dowry. Yes. Understood, no? Understood how it can be removed? Chale, well talk by these people. Clap for them. Very nice, you can say.